Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the CLC Custom Leathercraft 526 Electricians and Maintenance Tool Pouch, a heavy-duty, 17-pocket marvel in a classic tan finish. This tool pouch is designed with a box-shaped structure that prevents tipping, ensuring your tools stay upright and organized. The large divided main pocket offers extra capacity, making it perfect for carrying a variety of tools without hassle. Crafted from heavy-duty top-grain leather, this pouch is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining a professional look. It features a leather-reinforced carrying handle for easy transport, along with an electrical tape chain for added convenience. Whether you're an electrician or a maintenance professional, this tool pouch is engineered to meet your needs with durability and style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.